has a place to go. Fox 29's Molly Reynolds is here now with what's trending online.
And students on the campus of Florida Atlantic University are buzzing about tomorrow's VIP visit. I'm, of course, talking about President Barack Obama. Now, there are a number of social media angles to this visit tomorrow. First, the event is not open to the public. However, students and faculty were told to go onto a website. They had an online ticket lottery, and today they found out whether or not they got those tickets. So this is a look at the, actually this is the Foursquare event we have. This is a look at the email students got. They were told to go onto this website and try to get a ticket to this event. And of course, the White House is also going to be streaming the event. Now, also on Twitter, I have a look at Twitter. Students are using the hashtag POTUS FAU. Now, POTUS, of course, stands for President of the United States, and they're sending pictures about, people waiting in line to get tickets to this event, and they're tweeting about tomorrow's speech. So if people want to follow along on Twitter, they can search the hashtag POTUS FAU, and there's some students tweeting pictures right there. And that's a look at some VIPs waiting in line today.
Absolutely. My understanding is, 1 in 4 of the students may be getting these tickets?
Yeah, a lot of. I've talked to quite a few students on Facebook and Twitter who are going, and they're very excited. And they'll also be using Foursquare, which is that social networking site where you check in to venues to tell people that they're there and they're watching.
Having a great time.
Yeah, that's pretty much the point of it.
Molly, thanks. Still ahead on First at 4 with prices heading north of